Okay, we're in Mercado San Felipe. It's a Sunday. Got some kind of event going on out in front. Like a little fair. Okay. So right there. Meats to the left. As soon as you come in. Yep. Start at the right. Fresh vegetables and fruit. Let's start to the right and zigzag, Shell.
Look at it. I'm gonna show you this. Look how they got this set up.
Oh wow. Show it. Show it. Pick it up. What is it?
They look like it's peppers. I don't know what this is. But they got the onions and everything in it. Potatoes.
Okay, we're gonna give it a walk around. Oh wow. Look at this $5 bag.
That's a bit much.
$5 bag. Look at that $5 bag. Oh boy, look at that. That's like for a stew or something, beef stew. Fruit bag, Shell. The $8 fruit bag for $8.
Oh, you talking about that?
No, this carrots, watermelon, pineapple, $8. $8.
About to knock me out with this bag.
Yeah. Fine. $8. Oh man.
See, they got bananas in it and they got, I don't know what these are.
We'll tell you what they are.
We come back here.
Yeah, we're coming back to here.
Without the bananas and
Okay. I like what I see. Love it. $8. Wow. Hola. Got a long way to go, sister. Look at the eggs. 5 for $2.50. No, 30 eggs for $2.50. Or $5, they said. Smells good. Buenas. Seasonings. But you got all the seasonings already. Hola. Oh, wow. What you see? $1.50? Is that so what you gonna cook tonight? Then we gotta get some seasoning to go with it. Is that a pigtail?
those fresh fish.
Huh?
Those fresh fish.
Look at your seasoning right there.
Yeah,
We don't need no seasoning, y'all. $3 for the watermelon. Hola. $1.25. Small cabbages. Got a cabbage. Just got a cabbage in a bag of that for $1.23 or $1.50.
And the oil was $3.
And oil was $3. Dose. Look at $2.50. My goodness, $2.50. $2.50. Okay, some stuff you can get with the Wise card and other cards, and a lot of stuff you gotta use just straight cash. How much is it? Of course, $5. And the next one, I think these are the sauces he was talking about. Okay, you see how much street sausage is. We're gonna have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, y'all. Okay, we got a $5 bill. So it's $4 some change coming back. Cool. There we go. Oh wow, more smoked meat. Smoked meat. Pig ears. That's it. Okay.
It's the eggs. The eggs.
That's a lot, Shell. Here, chicken. Chicken.
We got a half.
6 wings.
Okay. Six.
2 more. 8. $4.90. Okay, give me that. And give me
Well, it's already connected.
Yeah, just give it that. Give one of those. Now let me ask you a stupid question. Can we fry chicken in a pork grease? You gonna need flour or something?
This one, right?
Yes.
I guess we have to go to what you want to do.
Raise.
310, okay?
310. See? All right, y'all, that does it for us. We in here. We'll be back. This is going to be our stomping grounds. And it's all right. All right. I got the eggs, like he said, in his... all right. Sorry, y'all. Okay, y'all. All that was $8. All that chicken he just did, we just did the 8 wings and the 2 quarters. It came to $8, so we're out of here. Without your eggs. Hola. Are those eggs?
Tomato.
Tomato? I think
Eggs.
those eggs, because he said 8 eggs. Okay.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah, that's what he meant. Okay. Gracias. Okay, this is what we got out of the San Felipe market. All of this totaled up to $23.90 right here. Here it is, pork grease,
It's pork grease,
and that was
$3.
$3.
And this is the fresh sausage that you're supposed to fry the pork grease in. These are homemade sausages, carols, something like that. And then we got the black eyed peas for $1.50. Red beans, $1.50. 90 cents for the Viking rice. Well, no, Vikingo. And then we got a cabbage.
How much was the
Well,
cabbage? How much
This
was
total,
cabbage?
the beans and the rice totaled $4. Okay, I'll put that over there. We got the cabbage for $25, and then we got the peppers and onions for $1.25. So that
$1.15 look like.
it's not.
It's
Well,
$1.20.
it came up to $2.
Okay.
This came up to $2.
And how much does the sausages came up to?
The sausages was $3.
Okay.
And then we got the $5 for the fruit. We got an apple, mango, bananas, pineapple, watermelon, and that was $5.
One apple,
Mango.
one mango.
That's another mango.
That's another mango.
Got 3 bananas.
3 bananas.
Got an orange. 2 oranges.
2 oranges.
3 oranges.
3 oranges.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
And the pineapple.
And the pineapple. All this was fresh for
It
$5.
smells so fresh.
And last but not least, we got
We got
6 chicken
fresh
wings.
chicken. We got chicken wings.
Fresh chicken wings. Okay.
We got 8 of those. And we got leg quarters.
Leg quarters she cut up for us. 2 leg quarters. So there's 4 pieces of chicken in there.
2 legs and 2 thighs.
So about 20, close to $25.
It was 23.
23.
That's what it was.
23. All right, $23.90. And this is what we got. And I think this is not bad. And
This is breakfast.
that's breakfast. Okay. So we did good. We got breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner for, I'm saying we got food for about a couple of days. The way we eat, we're not big eaters. You told that too. Liar, liar, pants on fire.